My name is Tiffany DeSico, and I am co-founder and CEO of GermLogic. Here at GermLogic, we are the experts in facility disinfection. We're confident that when a client comes to us, we can help them, whether it be through hand, surface, or air. Our goal at the end of the day is to help our clients keep their facilities as clean as possible. So the San Antonio Spurs reached out to us and asked if we could help them get fans back in the stands, keep their staff, players, and coaches safe. We were excited to be able to offer them the Fellows air purifiers. We've had a relationship with Fellows since 2015, and their machines offer a great solution. We ended up installing over 200 purifiers in the Spurs practice facility as well as the AT&T Center. The purifiers are installed in restrooms, locker rooms, staff offices, meeting rooms, coaches' offices, everywhere throughout the entire AT&T Center. Fellows offers a lot of different sizes of air purifiers that varies based on the size of the room. These machines are quiet and easy to maintain. And most importantly, they're capturing 99.9% of germs and airborne viruses. Probably the most important feature of these machines, and my personal favorite, is the PureView technology. PureView technology is the screen that allows the client to see that their air is clean. Our clients really like this, especially the Spurs, because they felt safe knowing they were working in a clean air environment. We couldn't be more thrilled with this relationship, and we know the Spurs are very satisfied and happy with the results. We're excited to continue working with Fellows to help people get back to work, back to school, and back to normal.